Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to always win tournaments in Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So first off, what are tournaments in Monopoly Go? So tournaments are limited time events where you compete against each other, players, and to collect special currency and earn prizes. So the way you earn these daily treats rewards are you play once per day for playing the game. So here we have a tournament right here. It's called Jungle Journey, and the rewards are pretty high right now. So it's 800 dices for the first position and 5 billion cash and a special card pack, which is it has 8 in it. So as you can see here, I'm standing in number 17. So today I'm going to teach you how to always win tournaments in Monopoly Go. So basically, first off, you have to time in where your rolls are ready for playing. So here it says mine is 44 minutes and 36 seconds. So just timer that and you'll have free rolls and you will play as expected. You can also go here in their special chip drop and you will earn some pretty cool rewards like dices and other things and cash too. So by playing, you'll have to end up in these 4 tiles in the corners where you will get the binoculars, where it will progress you and probably get you to top 1 as fast as possible. So all you have to really do is play as much as possible to get as much as rewards as you can. So the tournaments are just limited time events, so you have to compete with other players to collect special currency and earn prizes. So those are just some tips and tricks on how you win the first pole in Monopoly Go tournaments as always. So if you like this video, please subscribe and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.